So I thought I'd share our redneck DIY flatlap setup until we can get something better. Been using this kind of setup for a few years and gets the job done. I am using a pot lid as a tray to catch all the water, and I have a little hole that I drilled with a hose glued in that leads out there so as to not get the motor wet. And similar to this motor, using an evaporative cooler motor, pretty much same specs as this, except it's a 1/2 horsepower instead of a 1/3, which I think the 1/3 would be better. I might switch it out for this at some point. And there's a piece that you can get. I can shoot a link to Amazon. You just attach it to the motor shaft, so then you can thread on bolts and whatnot. And these are pretty old. We pretty much need to replace everything, but these are all flatlap discs. Diamond wheels, also from Amazon. And except for this one, there's like a felt disc that I just glued to an old worn out one. And this is the drip system. Just took one of these water dispensers and put a little aquarium tubing in the end. And this is just a tin can cut to fit right on the edge. And just have a little water drip going while I'm working on stones. There's a broken piece of seam agate I figure I would use just as a demonstration. Here we go. Just switched to a finer diamond disc. Honestly, I don't remember what this is. And for the final stage, I'm using this old felty disc and some aluminum oxide I mixed up. It still has some scratch marks in it. I'll need to go back and take those out. But it's just to give you an idea of the process of using this homemade flatlap. And certainly getting some new discs would help out.